Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to change main bank account on Paycom. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. To change your main bank account for direct deposit in Paycom, first what you need to do is head over and open up your Paycom app, and once you're inside, be sure to be logged in with your credential as well. Then once logged into your account, what you need to do is tap on the payroll section on the bottom. Then once you are inside, open direct deposit tab. Then once inside there, tap on add account to enter a new bank account or select an existing account to edit. Then next is to enter bank details like bank name, routing number, account number, and select the account type, checkings or savings. Then alternatively, you can use the scan check feature to automatically fill in these details by scanning a blank check. Then determine if this should be your main direct deposit account or additional account. If it's your main account, ensure it's marked accordingly. Then once all is done, tap on save to update your direct deposit information. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.